Hello, my name is Diana Ning, and I'm going to show you how to make an appointment in Starfish. When you first log into Starfish, you should be on the My Success Network page. To make sure you are on this page, click the main menu icon in the upper left-hand corner. Then click My Success Network. On this page, you will see your Success Network. This is a support group for you that includes your advisor, current faculty, and other student success personnel who are connected to you. If someone in your network has set up appointment times in Starfish, then you can schedule an appointment with them. To do so, click the triple dot icon next to their name. If an option for Schedule shows up, then you can click this button to schedule an appointment. Another option is to click the person's name to go to their profile page. You can see their office hours listings on this page. To schedule an appointment, click the Schedule Appointment button on the left-hand side of this page. First, pick a reason for the appointment from the list of options. Then pick a subreason. Click Continue. On the Date and Time picker, you can enter a date range to see your appointment availability between these dates. Then pick a time slot that works for you, and then click Continue. On the pre-confirmation screen, double-check that the date and time are correct. You may see an option to change the meeting duration if you would like the meeting to be longer or shorter. If you do not see this option, this means that there is only one duration option that is available. You may also see the option to pick a location. If you don't see a drop-down menu, that means that only one location is available. Read the meeting instructions carefully. These instructions may include specific information about your appointment. On the right, you can optionally add some more details about what you would like to discuss. And finally, click Confirm to confirm the appointment. You will receive an email with the confirmation of the appointment, and you will also be notified via email if your appointment changes or is canceled. You can view, edit, or cancel your upcoming appointments on your dashboard page or the upcoming page. If you have any questions, please contact Starfish team at pierce.ctc.edu or call 253-912-3631.